Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from complex numbers. The question is the number of solutions for the equation z square plus z bar equals to 0. Okay, take z equals to a plus ib, z bar equals to a minus ib. Use these values in that z square plus z bar equals to 0 implies a plus ib whole square plus a minus ib equals to 0, right, which implies a square plus ib whole square plus I into 2ab plus a minus ib equals to 0, and this implies a square, I square is minus b square plus I 2ab plus a minus ib equals to 0. Now take the real parts and imaginary parts. A square minus b square plus a. This is the real part, and next imaginary part. I into 2ab minus b equals to 0. Now what we can do now? A square minus b square plus a equals to 0, or 2ab minus b equals to 0. Right? So here if you take a square plus a equals minus b square equals to 0. Now take this b common, 2a minus 1 equals to 0, b equals to 0, or 2a minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so 2a equals to plus 1, a equals to 1 by 2. This is one solution. A comma b equals to 1 by 2 comma 0. If 0, b is 0, a square plus a minus 0 equals to 0, a square plus a equals to 0. So a into a plus 1 equals to 0, a equals to 0, or a plus 1 equals to 0. Here what you will get? A comma b equals to a minus 1 again b. So this is one solution, this is one solution, and one more what we can do is, now substitute here a value in this. In the second substitute the a value. What is the equation? A square plus a minus b square equals to 0, no? So a plus lo 1 by 2 substitute cheddam. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus b square equals to 0. So ikkada em vastundi? 3 by 4 vastundi. 3 by 4 minus b square equals to 0. 3 by 4 equals to b square. b equals to root 3 by 2 plus or minus, right? Therefore ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది? ఏ హాఫ్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు a కామా b ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1 by 2 కామా ప్లస్ రూట్ 3 by 2 ఒకటి, a కామా b ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1 by 2 కామా మైనస్ రూట్ 3 by 2 ఒక సొల్యూషన్. అంటే ఎన్ని సొల్యూషన్స్ వచ్చినట్టు? 4 solutions. Okay, so total for that given equation we got 4 solutions. Understood? If you have any doubts or any suggestions, specifications, specify that in the comment section, and please share, comment and subscribe to Deep Maths. Thank you.